kick with these hydration packets. This one is from this company here. I've never had them before, but geez, do these taste good. They're kind of like a, what is it? A horchata, I guess it's called, but it's kind of like a pina colada, like cinnamony, but like almost has like a milky taste to it. And let me show you the packets here. The packets are actually pretty small too. So this one's nice because it's got the hydration stuff in it, so electrolytes and all that. And then it has immunity stuff, which is like elderberry, and it also uses some well immune stuff. This is the back of the packet, right? And basically what I'm coming on here to tell you is that this is a good electrolyte powder. I like it, and it tastes awesome. So that's another thing. A lot of people think that these hydration packets have a lot of like chemically taste. I didn't get that from this. It literally tasted like milk with like cinnamon in it and some other stuff, maybe like a little bit of coconut. I'm not 100% sure. Really good. I would highly recommend them. Yeah, I think they're good. They said it's all natural flavors and things like that, but yeah, there you go.